panoramic windows and electrical outlets. Those are some of the innovations of this brand new tram in Basel. This model is called TINA from the Swiss manufacturer Stadler. Let's find out if this tram changes everything for Basel public transportation today on Markus Travels. The amount of noise that the tram made when it pulled up to the stop was more than I was expecting. But it could be the track because I didn't hear any excessive noises later during the journey. I'm boarding the Stadler TINA at Tram Stop Theater in central Basel. This is line Echo 11 operated by BLT, Baselland Transport AG. This is one of the two companies operating trams in the Basel area. The yellow livery with red accents looks good and similar to the older model BLT uses, the Stadler Tango. Let's walk all the way from the back to the front, and I'll come back with some conclusions after we turn around at the terminus stop. This line Echo 11 starts at Theater and terminates in Reinach. The total journey time is scheduled for 31 minutes. You have many different seating options, single seats on one side and two abreast seating on the other side. The USB-C charging ports are correctly placed on the wall. But I'm not sure about these regular power outlets. If you plug your charger in here, I think it's pretty exposed to the aisle. And in a crowded tram, I bet somebody's gonna walk right into your charger. It took a while until I understood this sign. It shows that if you're using a rollator walker, then don't sit on it, don't stand next to it, rather sit next to it. The seat can be raised and lowered as needed. The various accessibility features look really well developed here. One of the main selling points of the Stadler TINA is the panoramic windows. At first glance, they appear to be just as tall as the older Tango model. But I think they are wider and there are fewer dividers between the window panes like they have on the Tango.
SBB essentiell. Umsteigen auf die Buslinie zum Euro-Airport. Gare CFF essentiell. Swiss and French railway station.
Welcome aboard the brand new Stadler TINA train operating on BLT line Echo 11. We are just leaving the area around the Basel main train station, heading out towards the countryside. I made myself comfortable here at the very back of the tram in a seating configuration that I find unique for the Stadler line of trams. The tram is almost completely full here in the Monday afternoon rush hour traffic. I'm happy that I was able to gather some footage before the tram filled up. If you're getting value from the video, please hit the like button. Thank you for doing that. We are now on the way back into Basel. I changed seats to one in the front part of the tram. One of the standout features of the Stadler TINA model is that it is low floor throughout, except the very ends of the tram, the back and the front. They have a little elevated section, but everything else in the middle is low floor and easy access for everybody. This is a difference to the Stalder Tango, which BLT also operates, which do have high floor sections in the middle of the tram. Another standout feature is the clear indications above the door. When the door can be opened with a button, there's a big green bar above the door, and when the door is about to close, that bar flashes red. It looks orange in my footage, but it is actually red. A third unique feature of this Stadler TINA implementation is that there are power outlets on the tram. I've never seen that on any tram in the Basel area before. I have seen it in a tram in Norrköping, Sweden. I still think it's very unusual to have power outlets on the tram, a great upgrade. There's one aspect that does not appeal to me, and it is the constant beeping. As soon as the tram stops and the doors open, they beep to let you know that they're open. There you go, you hear it there behind me. Maybe, and then there's beeping again when they shut. Let's see if we can get that noise as well. Well, somebody's trying to get in the tram. Let's see if they're too late or not. There we go, the tram driver opened the door. So they beep again, and now they double beep because they're about to close. But I'm going to show you the normal closing beep as well, because that was the please get out of the way, we're about to close a beep. And fair enough, that's a fair beep. Despite the few limitations that I've mentioned, I think this new Stadler TINA tram is a great addition to the Basel tram fleet. The low floor adds accessibility, and the power outlets are a nice feature. If they can only turn off the door beeping, this will be a very pleasant ride for everyone. For more high-quality travel videos from Switzerland, click or tap the screen right here. Thank you very much for watching Markus Travels, and I will see you in the next video.